G'day legends. I'm about to change out my infotainment system in my vehicle. Now whilst it's not the factory head unit that comes with the car, it has been upgraded before I bought the vehicle. It is a big name brand and it came with a big name price tag as well. But the things that you don't get with that big price tag is very disappointing. And it makes for the driving experiences not so pleasurable anymore. The music cuts out through Bluetooth. The Android Auto and CarPlay just doesn't work half the time. Don't even get me started on trying to download apps for when we want to pull up and watch YouTube or watch Netflix, especially for the kids. So I'm about to rip this one out and I'm going to reinstall with a Vhedia head unit. Some of you may have heard of Vhedia, some of you may not have. If you stick around long enough, you'll see why I've changed my mind. Let's do a little unboxing video. I'll show you what's involved and then we'll do an install. Now one cool thing about this Vhedia head unit is that you will get a OBD2 port adapter for live data for your engine. This is pretty cool. This little app just here, car scanner, you click on that, it'll bring up all your live data. So your engine RPMs, your kilometers whilst you're moving, obviously I'm not moving, your liters per 100 kilometers, your average fuel rate, your average fuel consumption, and you can go across and you can have this as a constant screen. So you have your revs and you can have the coolant temperature. You can customize these, but if you aren't going to use the Car Scanner Pro, you're only limited to 2. I chose the engine RPM and the coolant temp, probably 2 of the main real ones that I would actually use. Another good thing about this is that you can customize anything you want on the screen. You've got so many options for apps. Obviously you can go to YouTube, you can go to Netflix. You will need to use your mobile hotspot or your Wi-Fi, and gallery. Obviously there's nothing in there at the moment because I've only just connected it up. You can have photos, videos, anything you can use as wallpapers. There's so many different settings, so many different options. So if you go to your display, it'll bring up all of your equalizer settings, just the same as it does if you go into your settings here, car infotainment, back to where we were before. But guys, that's it at the moment. This is all that I've got to go by, and I'm pretty stoked with how easy it really was to put together. One other thing I will mention though is this little sucker here that you get with the unit. This is your firmware update USB. Do not lose it, because when it comes time to update the firmware on the head units, you will be needing this. I've just ran the USB cable through to my glove box, so anytime I need to update the firmware for the head unit, I just plug this in straight into the glove box USB connection and update the firmware accordingly. Do not lose this. So there you go guys, I hope that's given you some kind of incentive to replace the current head unit in your vehicle with a Vhedia multimedia system. I'm really looking forward to using this over the next few months and getting used to the settings and the apps and being able to customize things to suit my own needs. It's going to be a big game changer for me and my family, especially when we're going on the long drives. And look, if you're doubting yourself that you can't do it, it is a plug and play system. I did have quite a few plugs and wires left over, and that's simply just because I didn't need them for this specific vehicle. There are YouTube tutorials and videos, install videos on YouTube for you to go in and have a look for your specific vehicle. And there are live chats on Saturdays and Sundays till 1 PM, as well as Monday to Friday. You can call the guys over at Vhedia and they can walk you through whatever you need help with. Massive shout out to Vhedia for giving me the opportunity and allowing me to install one of these into my vehicle. They have got so many different products that I would really love to check out as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I get to see quite a few more of you guys out there with the Vhedia multimedia systems. There's really only one other thing left to do. Well, 2, and I'll show you. Of course, it's got to be the most satisfying thing when you put in a head unit. Yes. That's one thing out of the way. Now the next thing. Now in the box, you'll also get a little stubby cooler. You've got to stay hydrated on these big jobs, right? So here's a cheers from me to you and a cheers from me to Vhedia.